In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Bcrypt.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Open a browser and simply search for the missing DLL. Put download, hit enter, click on it on the first match. Scroll down, you'll find for the version of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar, type system info, click on it, check for your system type, and download that one from here depending on your system type. After downloading it, click on the folder icon. Right click and then select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane. Double click on the Windows C drive. Locate the Windows folder. Double click on it. Locate the System32 folder. So if you are a 64-bit, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYSWOW64. So right click on the folder and select paste. Now once you have pasted it, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, open a browser. Search for Visual C++ redistributable, hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and click the link corresponding to your system type as you already know how to check it, and then simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.